Suspending or unsuspending an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager, WHM. Now let's learn how to suspend a hosting account in WHM. Click the Account Functions link. Now click the Manage Account Suspension link here. This is the page where you can suspend a hosting account or unsuspend a previously suspended account. Let's go ahead and suspend an account. Select mynewtestdomain.com as the account we want to suspend. Alternatively, we could have selected the account's username here. Type in a reason for the suspension here. This is for your own reference. Then click the Suspend button. The account has been suspended. Now when someone browses to this account's website, they'll see the suspended account message instead of the home page. You can customize the suspended account page by clicking this link. However, we won't do this now. Let's go back to the Manage Account Suspension page. All domains in red are suspended domains. Let's unsuspend it. Select the domain first, then click Unsuspend. Click Unsuspend. The account has now been unsuspended. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to suspend and unsuspend hosting accounts in WHM.